But what they need to do, Pommy, is break this partnership against you. If you don't, you pay. That's gone over everybody.
Yeah, fair enough, I guess. He's had to move his head out the way there, just move his face out the way.
Was in the air, but it was beautifully placed. And this will run away for the first boundary.
That one has come off the top edge and away for 4. Slightly short down the leg side. Right now, Simon. Almost hit me. Too short. Over the top of the keeper and down for 5 wides.
Catch it!
Shouts of catch it, and the wind will take it, and it will carry.
Very, very good catch making. Good ground at mid-off.
He's got it away. There's that sweep once again. This time it's fine.
Little touch is there. No response. Absolutely no response.
Listen, I need you to reverse your not out decision to out. Stand by.
Thumping he's going to do, and he's away with the boundary right from the get-go. Should be out. Straight down the throat of cover.
Yes.
Another one might land safely. What a catch that is. What a catch. Second one in the over, and that is a big one. Thump through extra cover. Straight up mid-off, called mine, get out of the way, I've got it, and he has. The skipper wraps his hands around it. Finally gets contact, and he hits that out of the middle. Won't say that. That is magnificent. And he'll get the maximum. That's as sweet as the ball's been struck tonight. It's gone miles.
116, which is the target. It's flown away, down to third and into the boundary for 4. Leg side, downwind and all the way. Picked up beautifully, Litandas. Oh, maybe a little bit too much bounce. No. Langton Ruseri says that is out. That out to the leg side boundary for 4. Out towards the man in the deep, straight to him. Mohamed Nabi with the catch. A little bit expensive, but he's got one now. Oh, straight back, he's got 2. Leading edge for Shakib. And all of a sudden, Afghanistan right back on top. Picked up over mid-wicket. Let's skip away for 4, and it does. And as away over backward point. Skip across this damp outfield for 4.
Got him, skidded on through. He does it so often with his variations. Again, this repeat of the shot. Moore runs this. No, he doesn't run it down. Oh my goodness, that's a mistake as well. It's getting to everybody. And because of that, he latches onto his luck and gets 1 bounce for. This might go more to plan because it's going to go to hand, and it is a taken in the deep. Charges dead straight for 4. Gets this one fine as well for 4 more. Big finish to the over for Bangladesh.
Quinton, I need you to reverse your not out decision to out. Stand by.
Bam! Back to back for Rashid. You can't pick the googly. Rashid Khan, hat-trick ball. Wrong end. Oh, he gets down on it. Might have one. And they have Nabi with the catch.
Shot. Oh, what a way to bring up a half century. slowly. Oh, that's out! That's out! Afghanistan have done it! They've done it! For the first time ever, they get to a semi-final in a World Cup.